Okay, let's take a quick look at your homework for tonight. Practicing first improper fractions and mixed numbers. So take a look at this here, and you're going to write it two ways. You can write this in two ways. First is the mixed number. So how many whole pentagons are there here? There are 3 whole pentagons, plus this fraction, which is 4/5. So we can write that as 3 and 4/5. We can also do what they call an improper fraction, which is equal. So we still have fifths. But now, how many fifths are there total? And now we use multiplication. So 3 times 5 is 15, 16, 17, 18. We have 19 fifths total. So we have the mixed number, 3 and 4/5, or 19 fifths is what they call the improper fraction when the numerator is larger than the denominator. Numerator, denominator. Okay, next one. So now we have, these are in nines, 3 by 3, 9 equal pieces, so they're nines, and we have 2 full, plus this looks like about 6/9, so 2 and 6/9. And there's even another way to write that. If you split this into thirds, you could write that as another way. But 6/9 will work for now. And now we need to do the improper fraction, so 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 6 more is going to give us 24/9 total. And then down here we have 3 whole plus 2. This looks like 8, so 3 and 2/8. Or if you want to go the next step, instead of saying 2/8, what's the equivalent fraction here with fourths? That works too. But I'll write 8s to keep it simple. And the equivalent improper fraction, again, we have 8. And let's think 3 times 8 is 24, plus 2 more is going to give me 26/8. Just like that. There's also a way you can figure this out without even using the pictures at all, but I think it's best to start this way so you can see what do we mean when we say 26/8. You can see here, count them all, 26/8 total. Now on the back side, we're going to shade some of these in, and sometimes these are quite simple, because here we have 8 circles, and we're shading 6/8. So there's 8 in the denominator, 8 circles, so we just shade in 6 out of 8. There it is, 6 out of 8. Now 3/4, remember this 4 here means we need to have 4 equal groups. So now we need to put these into 4 equal groups. So I'll just split them like this. There are 4 equal groups now, and 3 of those groups need to be shaded. So 1, 2, 3 of the 4 groups are now shaded, and you can see that 6/8 and 3/4 are the same thing. 6 of them are filled in here. 2/4, so again 4 equal groups. And then fill in 2 of those 4 groups. And 2/4 we know is another way of saying 1/2, so you're just shading in half of those. Okay, down here now we have sets of 12. 1/4, again, we want 4 equal groups. And use the rows to help you. So if I just go down the rows, there are my 4 equal groups, and I'm just shading in one of the 4 groups, 1/4. Like that, that'll do. Okay, 2/12, that's easy, there's 12 here, so just shade in 2 of the 12. And now 3, you need 3 equal groups, and shade 2 of them in. So hopefully this will help you get going, and you can do the rest of them on your own. And if you have questions, please post them, but that's your help for today. Thank you.